Danko bafethu, welcome to True News Sport. Bafethu ngixolisa ukungabi khona all the time. It's because of I'm very busy most of the time, guys. But I will make back to you. Bafethu, nice goal from Uda Silva. Nice goal from the Silva. I am recording this voice because of the record that I recorded in this match. I don't know what happened, but there's no sound. So I cannot post a video without any sound, guys. So I will have to at least put a sound of me talking to you guys. Brilliant goals, bafowethu, and a nice thinking of these guys, bafowethu. Kancane kancane slowly. Kaizer Chiefs, they are coming back into a game, but let's not celebrate while it's still early. Dango de Silva for a nice dance. It shows ukuthi umajayivana wethu bafethu umaqinasi wethu. But the question is, these coaches they took this as a training because these are a small team. I think they have to take this as a small a training, a part of training, so that they can get a combination and see which guys can they work together, especially for big games like Mamelodi Sundowns and then Orlando Pirates. Lebe yasibhucaza bafethu. Nice passing for Ulento. Ulepo bafethu, it's a nice bypass. Ukhonile ukuthi abypassele la player. So it's a good thing to gain that momentum because we know Lilepo most of the time he doesn't think when he has the ball, but it's good now because our coaches, they've cancelled this thing of saying we are just playing as long as we get our results, we don't care how we play. So I think kancane kancane bafethu, amajita, they are coming into the table bafethu because of now we can see a combination now, at least even if it's still far, but we can see a combination. Nice thinking of Ulilepo, and congratulations from umthethwana ukuthi angene ashaye assist. Mhlambe bezobethola ama-assist ayi-3 umthetho, sijasa ukuthi uNdlovu naye angazi why bebamfake as winger because he doesn't have speed, and they took long for ukuthi bafake umfundo Vilakazi because they were playing now uChislet as a right winger. They like to play abantu abangena speed as ama winger, so that was totally wrong ukuthi bayenze kanjani.